Supercharge your business with cutting-edge e-commerce tools designed specifically for manufacturers. Boost leads, increase sales, and streamline your operations effortlessly. Optimize your product listings for search engines, ensuring your products get found by the right customers at the right time. Capture leads directly through your website and power up your deals pipeline, converting interest into sales with ease. Offer custom pricing for dealers with a dedicated B2B portal, making it simple to manage pricing and sales to your partners. Sell parts and accessories through a seamless online store, expanding your revenue streams and reaching customers directly. Create content, attract the right audience, and grow your traffic with our built-in blog tools. Then make it seamless. Connect your products to blogs so customers can go from reading to ordering instantly. Use the built-in email marketing tools as a cost-effective way to connect with existing customers, drive traffic to your website, and increase sales. Ready to take your manufacturing business to the next level? Start your free trial with FastCommerce today.